Good morning. Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, PK My name is Privileged Programmer, the Programmer. Today, I'm continuing with the tutorial, Learn Embedded Engineering Arduino in 100 seconds. Today, I just want to show you and to talk about the serial monitor. So follow along. Let's begin today's tutorial. The first thing, you have to download the Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is found on the internet. If you go to Google and type www.arduino.cc, then you go to the Arduino website, and then you look for the Arduino board, for the Arduino IDE of your choice. I recommend 1.8.0 or 0.1. This is the older version. It's a bit of stable than the newer version of Arduino. After the complete download of the Arduino IDE, then you open, as I did, the Arduino IDE, like what I did right now. Then after you open it, the first thing that you have to do is you click File, and then New. Then it creates a new sketch for you, where you implement your coding. Okay. As you can see, there are two functions here: void setup and then void loop. Void setup is where you write the setup code. For example, that's where you initialize the pins. For example, as you know, the Arduino Uno, it has got about 14 digital pins from 0 to 13 digital pins. It has got about 5 analog pins from pin 0 to pin 5. That makes up to not 5 but 6 analog pins. Analog pins, these are for inputs. These are input pins. Then the digital pins, the output, but they can work as both output and input. As a point of a reminder, you have to know that pin 13 is the default LED pin for Arduino board. That by default is the pin that you can use. For example, if you do not specifically specify the pin that you want to use for your LED project, for example, if you just write you want the LED to blink, it will use the default pin 13. But if you specify the pin that you like, then that's where other pins, for example, you can write the pin that you like the LED to. So then the void loop, this is where as you can see by the comment, put your main code here to run repeatedly. The code will run repeatedly, run forever. For example, you can run for a specified period of time. The void loop here is very important. For example, here we are working with the electronics. So you are creating something that can solve a problem in the real world. So by running this void loop function, it will run in that, so that it will run up to the extent of solving a sort of problem. For example, if applications like a robot, you want a robot to walk, so the void loop will enable the robot to walk forever. For example, you can put some codes to limit all those things. So this is generally this is, as you can see, this is you can verify your code here. You can upload your code to the board. If you click tools, you can check if the board is connected. As you can see, board, I've connected Arduino Uno. But if you click here, you can see there are many different types of boards that you can choose from: Arduino Uno, Arduino Arduino Mega or Omega 2560. And then POM code, this is the port COM3, this is the port that is where the Arduino is connected. So after that, so without forgetting, today I just want to show you the serial monitor, how it works. So the first thing, you initialize the serial monitor. So it's like serial dot begin, and then 9600. This is what you call the baud rate for per second. You want it to move with that sort of 9600 baud rate. So if you want to write something, for example, you want to write like serial dot print hello, and then semicolon. Then we verify the code. Okay, I forgot to save it, and click save. As you can see, this bar is showing that the code is being verified. This is the console where you can check if there is some errors in the code. It will be written in this console. So right now the sketch is being compiled. Okay, it does not have any errors. Then after that, I want to upload it to the. Then this is the serial monitor. So as you can see, there's nothing that is displayed. I just want to show you that for a serial monitor to display something, you have to upload the code to the Arduino. You have to know that here we are working with electronics. So the first thing, I have to upload the sketch. The sketch is now uploaded. Let me try to minimize for the sake of okay. The sketch is now uploaded to the Arduino board. As you can see, let me as you can see, it is written hello. As you can see in our code, I've wrote hello. So this is how the serial monitor works. So you can write something that you want the board to communicate with the Arduino Uno. So this is how you work with the serial monitor using the Arduino board. So this is the basics of as you can see, this is the basic LED program I have connected it on Arduino. Pin 13 and ground. Pin 13 is the default Arduino pin. Thank you for watching this YouTube tutorial. If you like this video, you can share. You can subscribe to my channel so that you see most of the videos that I post about embedded engineering, C++, and other programming languages.